Assalamualaikum. My name is Nurul Izzah Binti Rahmat and I come from JIM1104E.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Aisyah Binti Mohamad. I'm from class JIM1104E.
Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Hazmyra Nabila Binti Abdullah and I am from JIM1104E.
Hi, my name is Nabihah Binti Azlan and I am from class JIM1104E.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Izzahtul Husna Binti Mohamad Nazam. I'm from JIM1104E.
Assalamualaikum. For the first part, we're going to show how to do the preparation of installation disk. This part, we're going to show how to download Kali Linux 2020.1. First, go to Kali Linux official website by searching kali.org. Click the website, click on download. Now scroll down and click on Kali Linux virtual image. This one. Click on the link. Now scroll and click on Kali Linux VMware 64-bit. Either 64 or 32-bit is depend to your PC. For this tutorial, I will use 64-bit image. Click here. Okay, after finish the downloading, now we need to extract this file. First, click on the properties. Click change. We will need to make sure that this will use as an archiver. Click apply and then OK. Click to extract to Kali VMware. Now the extraction may take few time. Now the extraction is done. You can see that there is folder. In this folder, we can see that multiple files after extracting to archive. This file will be used to run Kali Linux in virtual machine. All this file.
Next, installation of virtual machine. How to install VMware machine? First, to download VMware machine, you need to type VMware Workstation Pro Try Download in Google search. Next, when you enter the website, find the Workstation 15 Pro for Windows and click Download Now. Once your download complete, double-click on Downloaded Access file to start the installation. Once your download complete, double-click on Downloaded Access file to start the installation. Then, go through the installation and click Next and choose different option based on what you try to accomplish. Once installation is complete, you can either enter license right there or you can click Finish and use it as a trial version. As we are required to make this assessment, we choose to click Finish and use it as a trial version. Once download is complete, VMware launch the wizard and we go to the step through the wizard. Continue with the wizard by click next to accept the terms and condition. Click next, I don't need an enhanced keyboard driver. Then, I'm joining the program creating shortcut and click upgrade. Once installation done, click the finish button. And yes, you are ready to create new VMware virtual machine.
First, go to the kali.org website. Click Downloads and find Download Kali Linux. Then, find the Kali Linux 64-bit VMware and click the Offensive Security VM download page. Then, click the Kali Linux VMware 64-bit and wait until the download is finished. After that, open the virtual machine, click File and find Scan for Virtual Machines. Browse the files of Linux that we just downloaded before. Then click the Kali Linux. Then we upgrade first the virtual machine. Click next. Upgrade to workstation 15.x and click alter this virtual machine and click finish. We proceed to the edit virtual machine settings. We power on this virtual machine. So we just need to wait to open up the Kali Linux. Follow in the account, we type KALI and also to the password, so we can open the Kali Linux now. So this is the recycle bin or trash. This is file system. This is home. This is file manager, text editor, web browser, Kali Linux. It also have accessibility, appearance, clipboard manager settings, Firefox ESR, GP Art, Kali tools and else. Next, change the wallpaper. First, go to the Firefox and then search UiTM logo. After that, save the image that we want into the desktop. After that, right-click and find Desktop Settings. Then choose the image that we saved before. So the wallpaper is changed.
Firstly, you need to open Kali Linux and put all the words needed. After that, you need to write desktop git clone https://github.com/mehdi_shakil/broadcom installer 2017.gt. After that, it will appear the result there. Then you need to type Broadcom installer 2017. After that, it will appear some suggestion and way to install it. After that, you need to put the keyword on the screen. For the first keyword is LS and you need to click enter. The second one is CH and you need to click enter. Then you need to type SHMOD plus Broadcom LSH and you need to click enter too. After that, you need to write clear and you need to click enter. After that, you need to write IS and you click enter. And the last one is you need to write /broadcom.sh and you need to click enter. After that, you need to paste you need to paste the second one, which is show command, and it's done.
First, we type VMSTAT, which is for report information about processes, memory, paging, block I/O, traps, disks, and CPU activity. Next, type VMSTAT-A. Type VMSTAT-S. Type VMSTAT-D. Type VMSTAT-34. type VMSTAT-T34. Lastly, type free for see the free space in memory.
User add. Firstly, click to the terminal and then type user add space -m and then space again. Okay, the user that we will create is admin. And then you type password PASSWD space admin. And then write your new password. Retype the new password again. And then the password have been updated successfully. Next step, you guys need to type user mode space -A space capital G space sudo space admin. And then type chsh space -bin/bash space admin. And then type cat space /etc/password. And then the admin user have been added. You have been create the user account and then click to the switch user and enter the ID of the user admin and enter your password. And then just click login. And then you need to wait for a while to it to be loading. And then the new user account have been do. To create a group account, firstly click to the terminal and then type group add space kali linux. And then enter, type cat space /etc/group and then the kali linux group have been created. Next, we will add a user into the group. Firstly, you need to type user add space -G capital G space kali linux. And then space kali the user and then you need to type again cat space /etc/group and then kali have been added to the kali linux group. Next, we will add a user again. Type user mode space -g space Kali Linux space admin. And then type again cat space /etc slash group. And then Kali and admin have been invited into the Kali Linux group. Next, we will create others group, create another new group, which is just type group add space Kali G, and then type user mode space hyphen capital G space Kali G. And then space admin to invite admin into the new group, which is Kali G. And then type cat space /etc/ group add. And then into the Kali G group, we have been invited admin. Then type user mode space -g space Kali G space admin. And then type password space admin. This is how we want to search for the admin password inside the group Kali G. And then we need to create a new password. If the password that you type is not matched, you guys can type again a new password. And this password have been updated successfully. Windows to Linux. And then first to the folder from the desktop, and then click the properties, and then sharing, advanced setting, advanced sharing. Click to the share this folder and share to everyone. This is the permission for like Linux. Let's click to the share and then share to the everyone and click add. And then click to security, click advanced, and click to the network and sharing. Turn on network discovery, turn on file and printer sharing, and turn on network discovery, also turn on file and printer sharing. Next, we move to Kali Linux and then click to the terminal. And type sudo space apt hyphen get space install space cifs hyphen utils. And then put a folder on the desktop. Type mkdir space and then slash desktop slash windows hyphen share. At the end, it will exist the file at the Kali Linux desktop. So now type sudo mount.cifs, and this one you need to put your desktop name. You guys can search it at the start at your own desktop. And then slash share slash home slash Linux, which is the name of the file. and then slash desktop slash Windows hyphen share, and then slash space hyphen o space user equal, and then type Linux. So the folder has been created, and just copy paste the folder from your desktop, and the link have been created at the Windows Share File Manager. That's all. Run a task manager, search task manager at the Kali Linux icon, and then this show how the task manager is being run, and then the CPU percent will get increased, and then they show a processes which is 296, and it will be increased, and the task inside the task manager is basically a starting task, changing task, and also a terminating task. And in the task manager also they show the memory percent, and this is all the tasks have been done inside the task manager.
First, if you want to find the device managers in Linux, we must go to the file system and then find the folder that named SYS, and then we can see the different types of folders in it. Actually, the device managers in Linux are located in different files. Other than that, if we want to see the device managers, we can use the command line at this terminal emulator. First, we type ls usb for the list of USB devices. Next, we type ls space /dev/sd ? Then we type lsmod . Next, type lsmod grep pcs . For know the block devices in this Linux, we type lsblk. To know the list of PCI, we type lspci-v. example of device managers that we can see in this lineup is CPU. So we type ls CPU.
The conclusion after we done with this task to show the process of performing an installation of the operating system by using a virtual machine, as we know that operating system is the most important software that runs on a computer. It manages the computer's memory and process as well as of its software and hardware. For your information, most of the time there are several different computer programs running at the same time, and they all need to access your CPU, memory and storage. The operating system coordinates all of this to make sure each program gets what is needed. We choose Linux as our operating system in this assessment. Linux is an open source operating system, which means they can be modified and distributed by anyone around the world. This is different from Windows, which can only be modified by the company that owns it. The advantage of Linux are that it's free and there are many different versions that we can choose. Besides that, operating system allow their user to communicate with the computer without knowing how to speak the computer language. It is clearly shown that operating system is important element of software that will help process that runs on computer. Lastly, without an operating system, a computer is useless.